Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Flodesk, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete a section in your email with Flodesk? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete a section in your email with Flodesk anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, staying in touch with your customers, sometimes your emails are going to be out of date, so you need to delete some of the sections. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Flodesk, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to delete a section in an email, first choose the email that you want to delete the section for. So for example, this one right here. All right, once you've chosen it, it's going to open up the editor, and all you're going to do is just scroll down to the section that you want to delete. So for example, this one right here, this Instagram section. When you hover over it, you're going to see these blue lines around it. Click on that section. Once you do that, it's going to open up this little bar on the right, and you're going to click on the red trash can. Quick second later, the page refreshes. It automatically deletes that section in your Flodesk email. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete a section in your Flodesk email, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.